Check out this Unifi, what is this? Access Control Reader Pro. Nice. Let me get it installed right there. There you go. Bam. And it even came off the grill for us. How about that? To get a wire, 2 wires from there over the small ceiling. And I've got a foot of space there. I'm gonna attempt to crawl all the way down and drop this glow rod that Kevin has right here for me. So let's give it a try, guys.
I don't know how this boy's fitting, but he's fitting.
All right, guys, we got our 2 vertical cable keystones terminated right there. We ran that Cat 6 through there, all the way above this chase, all the way around this attic and drop down for installing that ubiquity device. So I'll show you that downstairs.
Welcome, technologist.
Technologist, that's nice. So what do you do now? It's unlocked now?
Yeah.
So it's locked?
Well, no, you gotta, it's quick.
Oh, you gotta do it instantly. Okay.
Welcome,
Bam, look at that magic.
You gotta-
Let's go, Chris.